I'm Joe with a J.
And I'm Rebecca with a R.
And we're for the love of color.
Okay, so Joe and I decided to take it out of my garage and into Target because this project starts at Target and we're shopping for things, but we kind of got sidetracked in the shoe department. Whoops. Oopsie, that's the problem with coming to Target, is like there's a lot of things to get distracted about. So doing a little shopping, doing a little
coffee, we found our Red Bull.
Red Bull coffee,
And Target.
shoes, Target. Now we're gonna do a little designing. So you guys ready? Let's do this! Okay guys, we just got to Target and we came to grab this mirror, but unfortunately it's out of stock, or at least it looks like it's out of stock. I think it's supposed to be right here, but that's okay. We're gonna do a quick online search, grab it at another location, and then head home to start redoing it.
Hey guys, we're at Hobby Lobby and we're picking up the wood filigree pieces that we need for our Anthropologie Dupe mirror.
The reason why we're using filigree is because original mirror has all this detailing, and so in order to recreate it, we figured there was something we had to add as an applique to the mirror.
From Artistic Appliques. So we're gonna get a couple of these.
Yeah, maybe some of these too.
All the appliques.
So with a little bit of paint, some rub and buff,
These are gonna look real fancy.
real fancy and lickety split. So the reason we're doing a base coat is because eventually we're going to use rub and buff on the surface, and this is going to be really hard to get into all the cracks and crevices of the wood filigree. So we figured by backfilling it with some Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint, it will hide the bare wood parts. I'm rubbing and buffing.
Oh, okay, girl. Now, does that make it shinier, or?
Yeah, so we put this, it's basically rub and buff, which is like a metallic wax finish. And then you rub it on, and then you buff it out. And it dries to like a hard wax finish. color.
Calling all crafters. What are we in? We're in the wood aisle.
Crafters to the foyer, crafters to the foyer. Let's get one of each of us.
Hut, hike.
Oh, you want to go on the escalator? Okay. Back it up, back it in.
Hello. We gotta look here.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm Joe with a J. And I'm Rebecca with an R. And together we are
For the love of color.
Where's color coming at you this week. My life.
Okay, now we're at Hobby Lobby. Ready? Okay, we're at Hobby Lobby. Filigree pieces that they're right here in the Anthropologie Dupe for the mirror.
Hold on. Love color.